विधानसभेत केल्ले राज्यपालाचे अभिभाषण म्हटल्यार सरकाराचे वतीन मांडलेली परिस्थिती. गोंयचो नवो राज्यपाल सत्यपाल मलिकान आपल्या पहिल्याच अभिभाशणात गोंयचो उदरगतीचो दर 2% देंवतलो ही परिस्थिती मान्य केली. तशेंच महसुलाची येणावळ उणी जाल्या हेंवूय मान्य केलें. मात त्याच वेळार सांगलें गोंयचे दर मनशी उत्पन्न 5 लाख जालां. पुराय भारतांत सगळ्यांत चड. म्हटल्यारूच आमचे अर्थवेवस्थेची भलायकी खूपच बरी आसा. भारतीय संविधानात संसदेन केल्ल्या 126व्या सुधारणेचेर विधानसभेची मोहर मारपा खातीर मंगळारा एका दिसाचें अधिवेशन आपयल्लेलें. पूण त्याच वेळार नव्या वर्सांतलें हें पयलेंच अधिवेशन आसलेल्यान रिवाजा प्रमाण राज्यपालाचें अभिभाशणय जालें. नवराज्यपाल सत्यपाल मलिकाचें गोंय विधानसभेंतलें पयलेंच अभिभाशण. पळयात तो कितें म्हणटा तो.
You are all well aware that in spite of mining ban, global economic slowdown and revenue resource reduction in the state, the gross state domestic product estimates of Goa have registered a growth rate of 11.8% for the year 2017-18 provisional and expected to achieve a growth rate of about 9.8% during 2018-19 with a per capita income of rupees 5 lakh, which is highest in the country, more than 3 times of the national average, thus portraying a robust and healthy economy. My government is working meticulously to improve the revenues of the state. The revenue collection through GST was 2558.40 crore till December 2019. Excise revenue collection up to December 2019 has touched rupees 351.55 crore, showing a growth of 7.6% compared by the same period of the previous year. Revenue of rupees 194.10 crore has been collected towards registration of vehicles during the current year till December 2019. I am happy to say that Goa is performing well with regard to the Human Development Index with respect to health, education and living standards. We aspire to develop Goa as one of the best states in the country. May recall that the development journey so far was not easy and is only due to our determination, self-respect, self-confidence, and the state has become a role model in certain areas due to astute leadership and support and cooperation of the people of the state.
शेती, पर्यटन, भलायकी आणि शिक्षणाच्या मळार गोंयान कशी उदरगत केल्या तेची वळेरी राज्यपालान आपल्या अभिभाशणांतल्यान दवरली. वांगडाच म्हादय प्रश्नाचो मुजरत उल्लेख केलो आणि मायनिंगाचें प्रकरण खंय पावलां तेंवूय सांगलें.
My government is conscious about Madai, an issue which affects every Goan. Madai water dispute between Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa is about sharing water of interstate river Mahadai. Efforts of my government is to prevent water diversion outside the river basin. The tribunal which was appointed in November 2010 gave its award on 14/8/2018. Goa requested for a clarification from the tribunal US 53 of the ISW Act 1956. Goa has also filed a SLP in Supreme Court praying for review of the tribunal award besides filing necessary contempt proceedings before the Honorable Supreme Court. All possible support to mining dependents for which financial assistance of rupees 108.4 crore has been sanctioned. Government has deliberated on the issue with union ministers on several occasions and has submitted 4 representations so far. Government has also suggested possible alternatives for amendment of the Goa, Daman and Diu mining concessions, abolition of Declaration as Mining Lease Act 1987, wherein its implementation is sought to be prospective in nature. In the meanwhile, the state is exploring all the possibilities, lawful options to resume mining operations. The state has also filed review petition before Honorable Supreme Court to review its order dated 7 February 2018. Honorable members, my government is very optimistic in resuming mining operations in Goa during the ensuing season, thereby rejuvenated state's economy and lives of citizens. My government has left no stone unturned to explore all possible ways and means for resumption of mining in Goa.
गोवा 365 ब्युरो पणजी.